Dudes and dudettes, here we are. Oh, God.
Wet Willie!
Man.
Wet Willie!
Take it in your ear.
Dudes and dudettes, welcome back to our channel. What we're going to do today is clean the clutch, and we're going to improve on the mudguard that we have under there to make room for the belt. What do you want to start with?
Clutch.
Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to start with the clutch. So, let's get to work. Yeah. Start with the starter? But we just told the people what we're going to do.
Yeah, but that's behind the clutch.
Yeah, before we put on the clutch, we have to do the starter
starter.
and the Bendix first.
Yeah.
So we'll do that first. Okay, so we lied. We're not going to do the clutch first. We're going to do the Bendix and the starter first. Obviously, we have to put that on before we put on the clutch housing. So let's start with that.
Yeah.
And it goes on that way, or does it go on the other way? Like, because that's the thing you did wrong last time, remember?
Yeah.
Oh,
It goes on like this.
Make sure it's nice and greasy before you put your shaft in.
Why? I just go in dry.
So Mr. M's tightening down the starter.
Okie Very good, very good, very good, good.
After hours of searching for the parts that we need, because we spread it out all over the place. And why? Don't ask me. Don't ask any of us. We just did. We put it all over the place, and we finally, after about an hour's search, found all the parts that have to be used to put the starter and the... Oh, it's leaking here.
Because it's been like
The
6
start-
months, brother.
It's
Yeah, we
no,
had 400 bikes in between.
Yeah, we've had a few. Yeah, no, we haven't taken it apart. Oh yeah, we did. We took it apart
Yes.
first.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh
Yes.
shit. We took it apart a long time ago. Long time ago. It's like the Buell, but different. Got it back together, and this time it wasn't Mr. M that found all the parts. Hey, Mr. B. We're on a roll again. We
Yep.
can get back to business.
The Bendix.
Bendix in there.
Why you bend over? What?
Yeah, that goes like that. The open end goes on the inside. And what we were looking for were these parts. The spring and the shaft that goes in the arm. The Allen that goes on top. Oh no, it's
Yeah.
the Anushka.
Alushka. Ah, fuck it.
Sponsored by Mr. Ed.
Yeah.
Ew. No, I take that back. It's too late now.
I know what
Take
you're
it
talking about.
back.
Hey, Mr. M.
Stop talking about my Anushka.
I don't even want to know. This is just wrong, guys.
So there we go. That's all put back together now. Now that we finally got all the parts together, we're gonna take a dry run to see if everything's lined up and if we don't have to take the rotor off, because there probably is a wash behind there, but we're not sure. Doesn't say anything about a washer, so I don't remember taking one off, and none of us remember taking one off. So we're gonna take a dry run, try and fit it up there, see if it's all aligned, and if it's good, right?
$51.5. Yeah, you see, it's not straight. You can already see.
So the chain is not aligned, and the primary chain I'm talking about. That means the clutch part is good, but we can't space that out inward, so that means compensator sprocket has to come outward towards us. And that's exactly the one washer that we didn't know what to do with. That's exactly what we're doing. So we're going to take the rotor off again. We're going to put that spacer in the back, and then it's going to come out exactly at 1.2 millimeters, wasn't it, Mr. B?
Yeah.
1.2 millimeters is going to come out. Talk to me, Mr. B. What did we just find out?
There is a spacer inside.
Okay, so we had the spacer in there all the time, and we just forgot we put it in there
So we have then we're gonna have to space it out
on the outside.
on the outside between the rotor and the how do you call it, the compensator sprocket.
That is correct. Doing a good job there, brother.
Thank you.
Oh, put that back, and that was a bitch to put in there too.
It wasn't that easy, that difficult.
It wasn't that difficult.
Watch your fingers, eh?
Find the exact spot. X marks the spot. Fuck me,
Did you find the spot today?
Not today.
It's always been a problem getting this thing on there. It's so tight.
That's what she
We like it that way.
Oh, yeah. Alright, then those two go here. That's your 1.2 mil.
Am I shining the light correctly?
Yes, you are, brother.
I'm the
There you go.
lighting guy.
Is it in yet?
This is.
There you go. Another dry run. So this evening is taking longer than we thought because we couldn't find the parts, otherwise we would have had this on there already. Still had to go quite a ways.
Didn't look good, right?
So now we got it on there, dry run, 0.3 millimeters. That's doable. So we're going to take the clutch part now so we can clean that up. This is a part that Mr. M has never seen before. This is totally new for him.
Yes.
Some brain surgery?
Brain surgery.
That's nice.
We're opening up a new world for you.
I know.
The clutch.
I know. I'm still stupid.
No.
Yes, I'm
You're
stupid.
uneducated.
Uneducated guesses. Yes.
Pressure plate?
Okay, so you take your pressure plate.
Goes in.
Actually, it's best to always replace a pressure plate after a certain amount of miles on a bike. But in this case, plug it.
So
We'll take this one off. Yeah, look, all the debris here.
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up. We got a lot of metal shavings in there.
Ooh la la.
That's for you.
Okay, thank you.
Try
Thank
and
you,
keep
sir.
the. Oh, there, you got a couple of plates on there. Make sure you get your plates on there. So you have a friction plate.
Always end with a friction plate. So this is your basket.
Yeah, keep it in order.
What? Keep it in order. I'm gonna do that.
So now Mr. M gets the cleaning job. He's never had a clutch in his hand. Clutch plates. Get all those metal shavings off. So Mr. B, now that Mr. M cleaned up all the plates and we measured them,
And you
what were the measurements? Can you give us a measurement?
0.46, 0.046 inches for the metal ones, and
Yeah,
0.092 for the friction plates, which
So-
is well in spec.
Well in spec. We can go do at least another 30 or 40,000 kilometers or 20 or 30,000 miles on these things.
It's quite easy. You start with a metal, then friction, metal. You always end with metal. You start with metal, you end with metal.
There you go.
One, then you get a friction. Again, metal. That's friction.
Well, you passed the psychological test, eh? With the round and square.
Well, I faked that one too.
Then you tighten them down. And there you have it, boys and girls. Everything's reassembled and cleaned up. No more shavings in there. Ready to rock and roll. Okay, so 7/16s, and you tighten them all down. And they're under pressure because of the plate, pressure plate. Alright guys, so we're going to end this evening again with a little side note. As I've noticed, we haven't been doing really extremely well with the subscribers. I don't know why. I mean, thought we were pretty funny and educative. I mean, it's a lot of fun. It's just shits and giggles, so. But what I don't understand, you should have seen, I'm watching, sometimes I see this Dutch girl come by, and all she does is ride her motorcycle. And she's pretty, just can't see her face, but the rest of her looks really nice. She drives a BMW 1000, R1000 or something like that. Pretty nice bike, and all she does is ride the bike and get to see her ass. And she has like 180,000 subscribers just to see a chick ride a bike. That's all she does. What the hell? Come on guys, subscribe. Give us a chance here. So hey, help us out here. You know, subscribe, like our channel, and so we can put out some more stuff like this. I mean, the whole purpose of this thing is just to have a little fun, but also to show you can do a lot yourself and save you a bunch of money. So keep watching us and let us show you what we can do. Right? Alright guys, we'll see you guys next week. Rock on! So that's exactly what we need for room to straighten out the to align. That would have... Fuck me.